This social distance. Look at all these crazy helmets.
Look for a new helmet. AGG, I never had one of those before.
It's always been an Icon. Ooh, it's a DC.
That's a crazy looking one right there. Oh, that's nice too. I know somebody who got that one. Oh, excuse me. It's the helmet, bro. No, they got it. And extra large. What are they got?
Hey,
You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm looking for this helmet right here.
Okay.
In large.
In a large? Let me see
Yeah.
if we have one in the back. So what's your price range?
I hope I can get that.
I hope I can get that today. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm going to figure that out. I'm going to figure out how I'm gonna get this helmet. I need this helmet. I gotta have it. I can't leave without it. I can't believe they got it. That's what it looked like in person. That's nice as shit. That is nice as shit. Jeez. Oh my, it's so cold. Yo, what is up, my crispy gang? What it do? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building. Hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm not gonna tell you what if you don't go ahead and hit it. I'll wait. Boom. Alright, let's go ahead and get this vlog underway. Alright guys, so today is a very good day. It's an awesome day. It is a gear kinda review, kinda first time you'll ever see this helmet that I'm about to show you. I'm going from the best of the best to the worst of the worst. But by worst, I mean like, I guess eBay. Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you different prices of said helmets, because this is a helmet review. So if you like that, stay tuned, alright? So the first helmet that I got is called the Airform. Just came out. It's 2021 edition. You know how guys like the new helmets? Go ahead, plug that in. So yeah, so you see it. Yeah, helmet me. Oh yeah. So this is the bad boy right here. This is the 2021 spring drop right here. The first thing I'm gonna tell you about this, the price point is $225. But if you're buying it from Cycle Gear, of course they gotta add the tax to it. So I paid $250 for this. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. I just really enjoy Icon because they make some of the most quality helmets get. In my personal opinion, I done went down like 5 times with Icon helmets on my head, and every time it's always been a good time. So one thing you'll notice on here is the glow in the dark feature. So these parts right here, they're green. They all glow in the dark, including the eyes, the back part here. And one thing I really want you to notice is how this lime green section is actually from the Airflight helmet. So I got that in the lineup, so I'll show you when we get that far. Another thing that I like, it has a vent in the back. It has a vent here, and there is a vent here underneath the shield. Of course, it comes with the pin lock. Another thing that you should really get excited about, I don't really see this often. I bought the helmet and I got a free tinted visor inside of the box. I'm not sure if you get that all the time with helmets, but when I buy helmets, I only get one, and it's always that clear visor, and I'd be like, dang it. So inside of it has the hydro dry technology. If you're familiar with it, it's one of the ones where if you sweat a lot, it soaks up your sweat and it's not sitting on your face anymore. And as you ride, it dries out inside. It's some pretty remarkable stuff. Technology-wise, it's on point. If I had to make one gripe about it, it's the low tech as far as buckling it up. I feel like it should have been a clip, but they have this strong button here. It's metal, and you wrap it through here, and you put it right there. So when you clip it in, it's in, right? My issue is, one time, one of my Icon helmets, the button actually fell out. So how do I secure the helmet? I tied it up, and it was good, and I rolled out. But it looked good. So we'll do this. Comfort. It's probably, since I've had it about 5 days now. I done rode it twice. I done had it on my head like twice. I'm not gonna lie to you, and it was real comfort. So I say a 7. The only reason I say a 7 is because it's tight right now because it's brand new. Okay, it had a ton of space up front for me to talk and make my motor vlogs with. I like that about it. It has a leather part in the front of it, and when I tell you that thing is stitched in quality, the stitching on it is, whoo boy. Another part that you might have like a big issue with is communication device. If you ride with a communication device, cardio, Cena, and you don't use the actual sticky part, I got my boy Coffee Breaks behind the camera. Look, my guy walking up. Special guest. Coffee break. My guy's in the building. He was telling me about the sticky part that you can use. It's an adhesive that you put on a helmet, and you don't have to use the screws. I use the screws. I'm old school. I love the clip, and you bolt it down, and it's stuck on the helmet. I did mine, and unfortunately, there's a little space there. All right. One problem that we ran into already is there's a part right here on the side of the new Icon, and it's like hard. It's a hard piece. It's not a part that you can really take out, but found a way to slide it in between that part. Cena, sponsor your boy. I have one of those moments. I'm nothing without my Cena. Dun, 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 dun. What would I do without my Cena? Dun, 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 dun. I can talk with my Cena. Dun, 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 dun. There's a hard part here that you have to really pull out just to slide your communication device on there. It was one of the ones that was kind of like, dang, I hope I don't break my helmet. Another thing, I got Velcro. All the sides are Velcro. Velcro in the back. They got buttons. So I can't tell you, like, they really did their thing with this. Air-wise, with all these vents on here, including, I forgot this vent here. This is a vent. You see that? That's a vent. That's taking the helmet off. So if you're familiar with Airflight helmets, you're familiar with the sides. You take this clip out. There's 2 little notches in there. You press the sides and it pops out. You put the other one in, put the sides back on, and for the most part, that's how you do it. Boom, boom, bam. Drop seal here. And it's tinted, and it's very nice. It's smoke black. It's not like really that colorized tint. A lot of people don't like that type of thing, but it's nice. Next helmet, I'm gonna get everyone's favorite helmet. I mean, from 2019, I think it came out in 2018, 2019, definitely 2020, and this 2021 is still going strong, which is helmet. So when I told you about the sides, with the new helmet that just came out, the Airform versus the Airflight. Airflight has this sides. This is where this came from. They just colored it, which makes it just really pop and stand out. All right, I can't tell you how cool it is to have a fin, and it's actually functional. It's aerodynamic. It allows the wind just to flow over your helmet as you like getting busy. You know what I mean? So as you can see the styling of it, it's like an astronaut. I like to compare it to an astronaut. All right. They got 2 vents up front. Boom, bam. So your forehead up here doesn't burn out while you're riding. Okay. Inside parts. Okay, buttons there, buttons there. If I had to compare it to the first helmet, there is no Velcro in here. But you gotta think, Icon is changing up all the time. They have different designs, they have a different flow. If you've seen the first helmet, you've seen how it had the slip little curve in there. There is no curve here really. There's no deep dish in there or none of that. Same situation here, plug out the sides, good to go. One thing that I can say about the Airflight helmet, and I know everyone who owns this helmet feels the same way. Too much air. I know. Too much air. Okay? When it's 50 degrees outside and you riding and you got all that cold air in your helmet, you know what it is. Alright? You're not gonna be a happy customer, okay? Drop down seal. Smoke black. Come on now. As you can see, tint it down, can't see your eyes. This is an Airflight helmet, ST1M. It's one of the newer ones that came out in like 2018. Cool helmet, man. Comfort, I'm gonna give this a 10, bro. I was riding in 110 degree weather out here in Vegas, and it was hella comfortable. It's not a heavy helmet. The helmet I just had, the first one, it is heavy. I'm not gonna lie to you. This Airflight is light and it allows in a lot of air. It comes with a chin skirt. The other helmet didn't come with a chin skirt. So if I had to give a real good number for the Airflight, I'm gonna give it a high 8. Because the air situation is just a little too much when I don't want it. Alright, another helmet, hit me. GT Alliance hard helmet. This is my baby. This is the OG. This is what the first helmet looked like back in 2019. I did tell you the price point of the Airflight helmet. It's the same amount. It's like $250. If you really want a really good one, you're looking at about $290. So it's up in there, that price point. I'm gonna tag that in so you can definitely see the price of those. This right here was a birthday gift. If you can see, the design of this kind of matches that what just came out in spring. Icon does very good with their graphics. Their very aggressive graphics make them stand out tremendously. You'll notice the red and black, you see the eyes, you see the amazing detail in the teeth. A lot of helmets, they get kind of dull when it comes down to these fine details as far as the teeth. I'm really big on graphics. If my helmet look aggressive, I look aggressive. I wish you would. You know what I mean? I'm a hooligan. This is what I do. The inside, it does have the Hydro Tech Dry. So, of course, when you sweat, this is where that technology started off at. You know what I mean? This is where it was coming out. It has a vent here, 2 vents up top, vents in the back, and air passes through here. Okay. If I had to give this helmet a rating, I would have to give it about a 7. It is a rather heavy helmet, especially including, you know, all your GoPro features on there. You don't want to have a helmet that's just weighing down your whole head and you're falling everywhere to record stuff, you know what I mean? The drop down seal is tinted, okay? The reason I bring up the drop down seal, I know you can change this out. I haven't personally done it, but I've heard that you can, okay? Honestly, tinted shields, I can't use them anyway because I got on glasses. So this is just like a cool feature that I never really got to get used to. I personally wouldn't want a tinted shield. I would want that smoke. I don't know. It's a cool thing. Last helmet on the list. And do you notice the patterns of icons that I get? I like red and black. Matter of fact, bring the other one. Boom. I got both of these bad boys together right now, okay? I don't know no other motovlogger that can have both of the same helmets kind of. So this is the newer one, this is the older one. Like, check that out. That's insane. That is insane. That is crazy. In fact, I'm gonna add all 3 on the screen. I want you to see all all three is crazy. Now, before I get to the last helmet, which is the eBay helmet, I want to let you know that the Alliance GT helmet is in the same bracket as the other ones, 290s, 300s, right around that market. The spring one, the Airform, I feel like that's a good price, $250 for a helmet that has that type of quality in there, as far as the Velcro, as far as the Hydrotech, as far as the look. It looks aggressive. The shape of it is different. It has plenty of airflow as far as vents on there. I can't really complain. My only problem is how you button it up underneath the neck. That's with all Icons. They always have that weird button thing, and when the button breaks, it's just like you're stuck. This is the seal from the new helmet that just came out. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Exactly. This is their technology. All right, let me get this eBay going. eBay me. Yes, this is it. This was a test run. Okay. I have been telling people that this helmet was $180. It actually is $138. Okay. It's supposed to be the HJC Venom helmet that runs for $500. So this is compared to $500. It's Yemi, Y-E-M-A. I actually reached out to them. I texted them, I messaged them on eBay. I asked for a tinted visor. They sent me this clear one. Then they said, we don't understand what you're asking for. I said I wanted a tinted visor. They sent me another message. We don't understand what you're asking for. This helmet came from an unknown location. It really didn't say on eBay, which I thought was like, what the hell? But for $138.9, I mean, you're gonna see the pictures. It has vents up top. It has vents in the back. One thing that it did do very, very well is, I want to show you this. It has this feature. I'm ecstatic for this right here. That is so easy. It's just like, I'm in there. I'm in there, right? Come on. The inside's very soft, loose. A lot of space. This is a large, and it feels like it's an extra large. It's extra light because it's made from cheap material. One of the really terrible features of this is, I thought the Airflight helmet actually let in a lot of air. No, this lets in bad air. Okay, if that's a such thing. Okay, the air literally goes into my eye, directly in my eye. Nothing else. My eye. I'm in Vegas. There's a lot of dry wind. That's where it's going. It's in my eye. So when a lot of people talk about cheap helmets, they say that, you know, if you fall, you crash, it's a cheap helmet, you could die from it. I agree with them as far as quality. I bought this just as a tester to see how the quality, how much different it was. I needed a cool helmet. This really did the job. I mean, for $138, people, you really can't lose. The inside of it is nasty orange. There is no drop down shield. And yeah, there's no pin lock. Fogs up. the shield is very loosey goosey. But again, it's eBay, people. So as always, it's your boys, Mr20west. I'm going to insert my Cena, putting the Cena on the first helmet. My boy Coffee Breaks. Major shout out to my guy. Follow his channel, subscribe to his channel, like his channel. Please like, comment, subscribe below. If you're thinking about getting this helmet, go ahead and get it. Don't think about it, get it. I'm telling you, you will love it. There is no complaints. I have 0 complaints. Now, even at speeds, I did do 100 and yeah, and it was fine. Whew. All right. As always, peace, love, positive vibes. Stay tuned to the next vlog. Peace.
It's a picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.